Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to post YouTube video without title. If you want to know how big YouTubers like vsauce have uploaded video without title, then stay tuned. So let's get started. First I will show some examples of videos that does not have title. So I am opening my Chrome browser and searching for blank title videos, and so I am typing video without title on my Chrome browser. There are so many videos are on YouTube that does not have titles, and technically they have title but they uses transparent or non-printable characters, so on screen it appears nothing. So this is most popular video without title, and it is from vsauce YouTube channel. Now I am playing this video. I have played this video and you can see how title is appearing on screen. So it uses title with non-printable character, and similar to space or enter we press on our keyboard, and we cannot use spaces or line breaks in YouTube title because YouTube does not allow these characters in YouTube title field. So we have to find another character. So I am using zero width non-joiner. So this is popular and used by most YouTubers to make blank title video, and you can see this is also allowed by YouTube title field. And if you put spaces or enter in your title of YouTube video, then YouTube does not save it and show an error. So you can use this character, and now you can get more information about this character on Wikipedia. So now I am going to unicodelookup.com and to find this character in Unicode table. So it is opened and you can see there are so many characters in Unicode. So now I am looking this character in Unicode table. So basically Unicode is this standard which is used to define all characters from across all languages, and there are many characters in Unicode list. So it is one of them. So we are searching for zero width non-joiner. So this is the character, and there is also another similar character called zero width joiner, but we are using this 200C hexadecimal code, and it has U plus 200C Unicode number. So also HTML code can be seen. Now I will discuss 4 methods to generate this character on your device, and I am considering UTF-8 encoding. First method to get this character is very simple, but this method is not working on my phone. So but I am introducing this. So you have to go on search bar and type Unicode table, and then you have to open this website, and this site is opening. So it is not working on my device, but it may work on your device or computer. Now this site has been opened, and we have to search for this character by tapping on search bar and search for zero width. See that autocomplete is suggesting when we type 0, so you have to tap on zero width non-joiner. You can also search by hexadecimal Unicode number, but I am using keywords to search this character. U plus 200C is Unicode reference number, and here is option to copy this character directly from website, and you can paste this character to YouTube video title. In second method, I will create empty text file, and then I will open this empty text file in hex editor in editing mode. In hex editor, I will generate binary equivalent to that character encoded as UTF-8. To generate binary data, we will input these 3 hex code. Each hex code represents 1 byte of data, so this character is 3 byte long. 1 byte is the smallest value of data that you can modify of any file, and I am opening simple text editor to create empty text file. So now I will click on more and click on save to save this file as empty. Now you can choose your path where you want to save this file and click on save. So your empty text file has been saved. Now I will remove this app and then go to hex editor. Now I am opening hex editor, so click on hex editor and allow permissions. Click on open file, select your storage, so where you have saved your file. So this is our folder where I have saved my empty text file. Now this is our file, so I have to click on to open this. So you can see 0 is showing because this file does not contain any data, so we have to put each hex value one by one. Now I have to write hex code E288C in hex editor to make this character inside file. So I am typing E2 and click on set value. Then in second byte type 80, click on set value OK, and in third one type 8C and click on set value OK. So I am rechecking this data, it is correct, E288C. So now I will show you this data in US ASCII encoding and untick this option. So it is unsupported, you can see question mark showing. So now I have to save this data and click on OK. So it is overwritten and successfully saved. Now we have to open this file using simple text editor and click on open and go to that file. So you can see this file contain that character, but we cannot able to see, so you have to select all and copy it. When we have created this file, there is no option to copy, so after that we have copied by just modifying binary of that file. And now we have to go on YouTube and then click on your video, any of your video you want to make transparent title, and click on title field and select all and paste this character. Now click on save. You can see it is successfully saved without any title, so there is no title looking in this video that I have uploaded for sample, and you can see there is no title of this video is looking exactly same as vsauce video. So what if we put space in title field? You can see an error occurred message is shown. So YouTube does not allow line break or spaces in title field. You have to use any language character and which is non-printable, and it should be 0 width or any width, but doesn't matter, but it should be non-printable to make your YouTube video title blank. So I have saved this video again, and we know we have used 0 bit non-joiner character which has Unicode U plus 200C code in hexadecimal value. So now this video is playing and looking similar to vsauce video, and it is not similar, it is exact same. In third method to create this title is by using browser. So first of all I am renaming title of this video to make it normal, and we can experiment on it again. So I have saved any random title, and now I have opened my browser. This will work on any browser, Chrome, Firefox or Safari, any will work. Now you have to go to address bar of your browser and then type exactly same that I am typing. So you have to type data colon and test slash html and then comma. After that you have to type html code for that character. So I am using this one, you can use another one which is in numbers. So I am typing ampersand zwng and then semicolon. So it is the code in words, so you can use number code also. Then click on go. You can see blank page has been opened, so that character is inside this page. So you have to select all the page by tapping on this page. So it is not blank, it contains character that we want to make blank title. So you have to click on select all, copy. So I am doing this again, so you can verify that I have cleared my clipboard and also that character has been cleared. So I have copying again. Now you can see I have copied this character successfully. Now I am going to YouTube app and then change title of that video. Now I am clicking on edit and then paste this character on YouTube title field. So click on save and you can see it is successfully saved. Method 4 is very simple, but it totally depends on you. And so first of all, I am reverting title of this video so we can use it again. So I am saving this title. In method 4, we will obtain that character from already existing videos on YouTube that has blank title. So first of all, I have opened that page and I will click on desktop site so that this page will be open in desktop site. Now you can see there are many videos that have blank title. So I am using this video. So now I am trying to copy title from this YouTube video. So it has transparent title, so it is just situated before this dash YouTube bird. So I have to copy it carefully. So now I am copying it and I have copied it successfully, and I am checking that I have copied it correctly or not. So for that I am pasting this copied title into my YouTube video. So I am pasting it and checking if it is going to save or not. So it shows an error, so that means that I have copied wrong character, or I think I have just copied line break of that HTML page. In first attempt I have failed to copy that character and I am trying it again. So I have opened this page and trying to copy this character very carefully. So you might be successful or not, and it totally depends on you how you are copying it. So I am copying very carefully. So you have to copy it like this, that I am copying it and I want to see that I am successful this time or not. And I have to move it just above. I think it is correct. So now I have copied and I have to remove this dash symbol. So I have then select all and copy it again. Now I am putting this character into my YouTube title field. So I have pasted it and click on save. So you can see it is successfully saved. Then this time I have successfully copied this character. So you can try it again and again, so you might be successful. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.